Here's a tutorial on how I use process feedback on Google Docs. Once you have set it as your Chrome extension, every time you open a Google Doc from a writer, it will show this here, Explore Process. When you click on it, you can choose a quick report or the full report. I find everything I need with the quick report, so I click on that. It tells me some very basic information up here. It's really important to look at the typing time. It should take students a couple of hours to write an essay, but sometimes you'll find that it says 10 minutes, and you'll know there's no way a student can write a 2,000 word essay in 10 minutes. So that's a dead giveaway. You can hit the playback option and it shows you at different speeds. Right now I have it on fast. It shows you what was typed when, but let's say you want to go slow and start from the very beginning. See, it already started with a big paragraph here, so that was pasted in, and so what this student is doing is only making corrections, if you saw that. So at 0 there was already that, and you see there's just minor corrections being made. You can also go to slower and it will do the same thing. Okay, enough of showing students typing. It will show you how long they actively typed. So you can see there was 1 minute 39 seconds of active typing, 4 minutes 53 seconds of just sitting there with the doc open, 13 seconds, etc., etc. There's more than one page, so you can look at the total time spent typing. And this is especially important. It's the copy paste events. How many pastes were made? This is coming soon. It's not a feature that's available right now. But even with this, so I'm looking at how many days and what time the student pasted things in. So you expand it and it shows you the whole paste chunk. So that's an entire paragraph. Yes, a student can say, oh, I started on a different Google Doc, or I started on a Word doc and then copied it over. But every once in a while, you'll catch something like this at the end. It is telling the student, write the ChatGPT disclaimer. So it shows you what the student pastes in before they get a chance to delete and clean up the writing. This looks like the student asked for an outline because it's saying topic sentence and then make this point. Quote, point 2, etc., etc. So this is a dead giveaway. So yeah, sometimes the pastes are very short, but when you get a big chunk like that, it's very telling. And finally, there's this, which is too much analytics. I don't need all this, but it tells you if you want to stretch it out, like the first one, the green is how much writing appeared of added text. So right off the bat, the very first thing that was dropped here was 2937 characters. That's a lot. That's a full-on dropping a big chunk. And then what was removed, right? The red is what was deleted. So there's a lot of adding, and then a lot of deleting right around here. I hope that helps.